Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the video. Welcome to today's vlog. So I'm getting ready to head to the gym to do fasted cardio. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm trying to talk low. The wifey's still sleeping. Today makes day 2 of 21, which I'll explain later on. But to get ready for fasted cardio, I'm gonna go ahead and have 1 scoop of this Amino Build Revolution, this fruit candy flavor, and I'm gonna have 1 serving of L-carnitine, which I put in the shaker cup. I'm gonna sip on this on the way to the gym. But guys, this flavor right here tastes so good. So if you're interested in any one of these products, just click the link in my bio. Make sure you put in promo code LANE10 to save 10%, all right?
For real life chefs, if it's Goya, it has to be good.
At your local Staples, giving and receiving.
So let me explain to you guys what day 2 of 21 mean. So my fiance and I, we decided to go ahead and try 21 days of eliminating certain foods or certain things out of our diet for 21 days. And so we decided to eliminate sugars, meaning like sweets, like candy, any kind of like desserts, whatever the case may be, any kind of sweets. We decided to eliminate that. We decided to eliminate dairy. We decided to eliminate breads, which I don't eat a lot of breads. Basically, we're eliminating things that we really enjoy. Like she loves breads and biscuits and stuff like that. I do too, but I don't eat it as much. So we're eliminating any kind of bread products, and we also decide to eat only seafood as our protein source, and we're doing that for 21 days. And the goal is throughout this 21 days is to make a lifestyle change and just to eat a little cleaner, give our bodies a break from those kind of foods. And we're doing it we're starting off with 21 days. We may push it to 30, but I think at 30 days, it's like, it ends right on Christmas Day. So we're still debating if we wanna, if we still wanna like keep going to 30 days, but we're definitely doing 21 days. So today marks day 2. And what I said for myself, I'm going to do fasted cardio. I'm gonna do cardio every day for 21 days. So I'm starting right now today fasted cardio. I did fasted cardio yesterday. I may not do fasted cardio every day. Maybe post-workout I'll do cardio, switch it up. But right now, it's like 6:15 in the morning. We're getting ready to start this fasted cardio session. I'm only gonna do 30 minutes on the Stairmaster, steady state, nothing crazy, because at the end of the day, if I'm doing cardio every day, I don't wanna do a ton of cardio and start burning muscle. I just wanna burn a little bit of body fat, and that's the goal. So I have my BCAAs. I already finish my BCAAs, because when I do fasted cardio, I like to drink my BCAAs before I do the cardio session. That way the BCAAs help preserve muscle mass. So I already finished my BCAAs. I'm about to go ahead and head in there. Just do 30 minutes on the Stairmaster. Do 30 minutes on the Stairmaster, and I may do a couple ab exercises. The goal is to get in, get out, and get my day started, all right? All right, y'all, so just finished up fasted cardio. Decided to go ahead and do 20 minutes instead of 30 minutes, just due to the fact that I felt like I got a really good workout in, and the whole goal at the end of the day, guys, is to burn body fat but preserve the muscle. And since I'm doing this for 21 days, cardio every day, I don't need to start off doing like long sessions right now, because I'm not prepping for a show or anything like that, and I just want to take my time burning the body fat so I can preserve the muscle mass. So that being said, 20 minutes was amazing. I think I burned right at 200 calories. So we're gonna head to the house and we're gonna eat breakfast. I don't know if you guys can see this view. Nah, I need to get my other lens. But this view is so beautiful right now. It's like 7 in the morning. I don't know if you guys can see the city, because I don't have my lens that I can zoom in, but it's very peaceful out here right now. It's not that cold actually, because it was cold last week, but it's not that bad today. It feels good outside. So yeah, we're gonna get head to the house and have breakfast. Hit that like button if you think this breakfast looks good and you would eat this. 1 packet of oatmeal, pumpkin spice oatmeal, 2 slices of turkey bacon, and we have 6 egg whites. So we got meal 2 right here, which I'm gonna have a protein shake from this new like premium protein from Muscle Tech, guys. This is pre-made, very convenient. As you guys see, all I have to do is pour it in a glass, weigh it out. And 1 serving, which is 11 ounces, is gonna give me 32 grams of protein, 3 grams of carbs, and 0 grams of sugar. So this is very, very convenient, guys. I'm still gonna try to find out where I can get that, where you guys can get that from, because a lot of you have been asking me where you can get that from. So stay tuned. Probably follow me on my Instagram, because that's where I'll post the information where you can buy that if you really want it. this right here is super convenient. Like, I can't tell you guys how easy it is just to come home. And yes, taking powder and putting it in a shaker and just shaking it up is convenient as well, but like, it's just so easy just to pour it in there. And it also tastes just like chocolate milk, guys. Like, the taste compared to regular chocolate milk is amazing, and that's why I like it, because it's like a sweet treat. All right, so what I did is I went ahead and prepped my meals for today. These two are for today, and then these two right here for today, and then these two are for tomorrow for work at the fire department. So this meal right here is 5.5 ounces of grilled chicken, and then this meal right here is 4 ounces or 4.5, 4 ounces of shrimp with broccoli, and then I have another 4 ounces of shrimp with broccoli, and then I have my post-workout meal, which is 4 ounces of shrimp, 1.5 cups of jasmine rice, and broccoli. What I like to use to season my food, especially when I'm on the go, I usually throw this in my bag, is this everyday seasoning from Trader Joe's, guys. Tastes really good. It's a grinder, so I usually just carry that with me. I put it in my bag, especially when I'm out and about, because at the end of the day, eating just bland food can be very, very boring, and it makes you like not want to eat your meals. But I put that seasoning on there and it tastes really good. So I just wanted to go ahead and share that with you guys. I'm actually getting ready to head out, run some errands, and today we're going to train arms. We're going to do bis and tris. So I'll bring you guys to the gym. We're going to train some arms, and then we'll have a conversation today. Basically, I want to talk to you guys about fat loss. All right. Alright, y'all, so just got to the gym. Today we are training arms. So I just jogged on the treadmill for about, I think it was about 10 minutes, half a mile, and now we're getting ready to do some pull-ups and dips. I like to do pull-ups and dips before the arm workout, just to kind of go ahead and tax my arms by doing body weight movements. So the dips is going to target the triceps, and the pull-ups, I'm going to do reverse geared pull-ups. That's going to focus on the bis. So I'm going to go ahead, try to get some good shots for you guys on this like pull-up dip combination machine, and we're gonna do 3 to 4 sets of failure. All right. Alright y'all, so we just finished a good arm workout, but I want to show you guys this last exercise that I just did, or just performed. So we have this, it's like a assisted dip / pull-up machine right here. But one thing you guys can do if you have this in your gym, you can use this like lever, because this helps with your dips and pull-ups. You can use this as a tricep press down. So if you guys noticed in that last clip, I was kind of leaning forward and then doing a tricep press down, and it really works the tris very good. And what I do is fan out my tris. I don't like do a straight press down. I kind of like make them go out like they're almost like pointing my elbows away from me. So if you have this machine in your gym, you guys give it a try. I'm about to head to the house and go ahead and have my post-workout meal. So this is the part of the video that most of you guys was ready to see, or most of you guys probably the reason why you clicked on the video, because you want to know how fat loss works, right? All right, I'm gonna tell you guys how fat loss works. I'm gonna tell you guys the process, what to expect, some of the things I face, some of the challenges, and how you guys can still continue to stay on track and stay motivated and keep that drive going throughout your journey and throughout the marathon of getting that physique you want. Because at the end of the day, guys, it's a marathon. It's not a sprint. It's not a 100-yard dash. It's truly that 26-miler that's gonna take you, you know, days and days and days, but with consistency and staying true to your training and your dieting, you will achieve your goal, all right? So when it comes to fat loss, I'm going to use myself for example, and I'm going to try my best to keep this video very short, this part of the video very short. When it comes to fat loss, guys, when you initially start a new diet, start new training, the first 4 weeks, first 4 to 6 weeks, depending on the body type, you're gonna notice that your clothes fit different. They fit a little loose. You may check your weight weekly on the scale. You're dropping a pound to maybe 2 pounds a week, and you look in that mirror and you're like, I still look the same. What is going on? Nothing's working. Like, I still look like I'm not losing weight. I understand how you feel. When you're in that beginning stage of a new diet to burn body fat, you have to realize your body is going to burn fat throughout your entire body. It's not gonna just localize it and say, okay, we're gonna burn fat from your stomach only, or we're only gonna burn fat from your back, or we're only gonna burn your love handles off your waist, or we're only gonna burn the fat off from your thighs or legs. It's going to burn fat throughout your entire body, all over your body. So the first 4 to 6 weeks, you may not notice, you may not visually notice the difference, you know. You will notice though that your clothes fit loose. You will notice that, you know, you feel a little lighter. You will notice that maybe you'll notice small things like your face may come in and like, you may not have puffy cheeks like for me. And I want you guys to understand, when you get to that point, keep going, all right? Keep going, because the process after those 4 to 6 weeks, depending on the body type, depending on metabolism, depending on how much body fat you already have, the process after that, you guys will like see it, like daily. You will see the changes your body go through, all right? And I'm gonna use myself for example, prime example, my first prep. You know, the first few weeks, the first 4 to 6 weeks, I was getting frustrated. I wanted to give up, I wanted to quit. I was not seeing no abs, I wasn't getting lean. I was getting lean, but I wasn't getting ripped. I thought I was gonna get ripped faster than that. And then it was like, after that 7-8 week threshold, like, I looked in the mirror and just can see the outline of a 6-pack, and my drive and motivation just kept going to stay true to the diet, stay true to the training, stay true to getting rest, drinking that 1.5 gallons of water a day, and just keep going, not slipping up, not snacking on stuff, like going out to eat and make sure I'm picking healthy options, you know, not eating snacks that's around the house. That drive was there because I was waking up every day seeing my body change. And I want you guys to understand, when you get to that point, it becomes like not an addiction, but you're just so like motivated to keep going, guys. And to get to that point, the beginning can be tough and it can be discouraging. I totally understand. I want you guys to realize you are losing weight, all right? You're cutting weight throughout your body. Now you need also I need you guys to also understand that losing weight for everybody's body type is different. For me, my stomach or my belly midsection area is the very last place that is going to burn off. I usually, like my back, my legs, and my arms, usually fat burns in those areas really quick, and the definition and the details shows a lot more in those areas early. Whereas my midsection takes a little bit longer. I know some people where their midsection is the very first thing that goes for them. So they'll start seeing abs earlier into their process, into their journey, but their back may not be as detailed, or their arms may not be as cut and lean. So you guys have to also understand that as well, all right? It's based on all our diet. I mean, it's based on the diet. It's gonna be based on our body types at the end of the day, all right? So I'm gonna use this as an example so you guys can kind of understand where I'm coming from. Let's say we take a banana. It's a soft fruit. So we'll take a banana, we put it in a vacuum sealed bag. We go ahead and vacuum the air out that bag. What's gonna happen with the bag? Correct. The bag is gonna shrink around the banana, right? So now you have this perfectly fine banana in this bag. Completely perfect. The bag shrink around that banana. That's the same process your body is going through when you first start out with the fat loss. You're gonna burn fat around your whole body. So your body is gonna shrink as one. So say you hit that 8-week mark now, your body is like really getting into that fat burner zone. So we're gonna use the banana in the bag, vacuum sealed bag method again. So say we hook that vacuum back up to the bag and we continue to keep sucking the air out. Even though there's no more air, what's gonna happen? There's gonna be a weak spot in that banana that's gonna give. Let's just say the middle part of that banana starts to give, meaning that bag starts to crush that banana. That is going to happen when you hit that threshold, that fat burning threshold, which is around the 8-week mark. Your body is gonna start burning fat in those target areas, guys. So that's why I said do not give up, keep going, keep pushing through, stay true to the diet, don't cheat, don't slack up, don't quit. And trust me, guys, when you see the results, you will wake up one morning and just look in the mirror and will start seeing definition. You will start seeing the cuts, and it's gonna motivate you guys to keep going, all right? So I wanted to share this with you guys. I didn't want to make this video super long. I think this clip right now is around 6 minutes. I hope this was very, very useful. I appreciate you guys for showing so much love. The subscribers is climbing up, and we're on the road to 50,000 subs. And then after that, we are going to push for 100K subs, all right? So as always, I appreciate the love and support. Until next time, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and also make sure you turn on the notification button so that way you guys know when I drop a video, okay? See you guys later. Peace.